Top side, bottom side. They're done.
Just kidding. Well, the paint jobs, yeah. What's up, guys? Back, another episode. Feel The Byrne Fishing. Today, I'm building essentially the bottom frame. I'm gonna have to run some metal as like a natural vein that goes straight down the boat that'll allow the water to collect. This I'm not doing anything to. Then I have to fill in with foam, essentially on the inside of all of this, and then put down, well, this isn't the top, but these right here, the floorboards, so that the foam, and then I can put foam underneath of them, and that foam essentially will fill up under there but not get in the way, so I won't create any problems. But well, I'm gonna get to work on this now. Jackson's showing up a little bit, and then yeah, just after that I guess we'll see what will happen. But well, after that should be frame, but I mean, lots involved. So at this point in time, just to explain a bit, we're basically just cutting to fit essentially that vein that I was talking about. And after that, you'll see we kind of put it all together. Alright guys, so we got the first one, and it took a while to figure out riveting and stuff because Jackson nor I had ever done that before, but essentially we're just going to create like the vein like I was talking about. So it's the first piece, and there's kind of gaps and stuff, but we'll put foam right here first before we fill in with the actual big foam, just to fix everything, make it right. But essentially this is just going to allow the water to travel all the way down back here, and then we'll obviously put a bilge pump and eventually hook it up to that, and it'll just flush all water out. But that's the game plan. All right, what's up, guys? It's the next day. Foam is all set. It's all sealed. As you can see the foam, I just put it on the sides of it. Kind of essentially just made it watertight. So now, essentially, I'm gonna vacuum all this up. I won't film that. It's just dirty work. There's a bunch of stuff in here. There's also some foam on the deck that I gotta pop off. But after that, I'm going to let's think about this. What am I gonna do? We'll see.